How to sign out of your Canva account. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation we'll be discussing about login out of your Canva account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of the web browser on your computer or your mobile device and then go to canva.com, type in canva.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will be taken to the official website of Canva, from where you need to make sure that you're logged into your specific account. In order to log out of your account, simply go ahead and click on the profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. And as soon as you click on it, just scroll down and click on Sign Out of All Accounts. If there are also other accounts to switch out, it will show you the option of Sign Out of All Accounts. But if you're using only one Canva account in this browser, it will show you the Sign Out of this account. So as I'm using multiple accounts in my browser, I am going to sign out from all of them. So I'll click on Sign Out of All Accounts. As soon as you click on it, you will be signed out, and in order to log in, you have to continue with the Google account that is associated with your Canva account. Click on it, and if it's not labeled in this area, you can just simply go ahead and click on continue with another account, and then you can continue with your Google ID, your Facebook ID, with your email, or you can also click on continue other way, and it will show you other options to log in, such as with your Microsoft account, Clever account, email, work email, and even with your mobile number. So this is how you can sign out from your Canva account and easily log back in as well. So if you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.